Hello bachon, let's see the question here. The diagram below shows part of the skeleton of the periodic table in which elements are indicated by letter which are not there in usual symbols. Answer the following on the basis of modern periodic table. One element having greatest ionic character in its compound with non-metals. Second, metal cation which is colored in its aqueous solution. Third, elements of which carbonate salt is or are water soluble. Fourth, which element is monoatomic gas at room temperature. So here we will start our solution और सबसे पहले हम start करेंगे with key concept in this case. So here these first two groups, they are S block elements, okay, and ये जो last के 6 groups हैं ये हैं P block elements, and जो बीच में ये 10 groups हैं they are D block elements, okay. We know that along a period when we move from left to right, size will decrease and hence ionization potential, its value increases. Whereas down a group, in that case, size increases and hence ionization potential value also, in this case, it will decrease because size and ionization potential, they are inversely proportional. So सबसे पहले first one, element having greatest ionic character in its compound with non-metal. So we know that when we move down a group, ionic character increases. So here, ionic character increases. So from H and L, we know that order of size here, H is having larger size as compared to L here. That means ionic character will be greatest for H in this case. So first का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे H. Second है metal cation which is colored in its aqueous solution. तो जैसा कि हम जानते हैं जो D block के elements होते हैं they show color in aqueous solution. So here J, this belong to 10th group, and here this will show color and जो cation होगा that will be J plus 2 because जो 10th group होता है यहाँ पे क्या होगा electronic configuration of outermost shell that is D8 and S2. Okay. Next, moving further, for the third part we have elements of which carbonate salt is or are water soluble. We know that carbonate salt, they are completely soluble. This is for alkali metals except lithium, and for the second case they are sparingly soluble. This is for lithium and alkaline earth metal, and alkaline earth metal कौन से होते हैं? This is second group elements. So that means the one which is soluble here, so soluble होते हैं alkali metals, and here we have only one element that is H in this case. So for third part, answer is H. Finally, for the fourth one, which element is monoatomic gas at room temperature? तो monoatomic कौन से होंगे जो किसी के साथ react नहीं करेंगे? तो जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, this is 18th group and they are noble gases. इनका जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होता है वो फुलफिल्ड होता है, तो उस वजह से ये हाईली स्टेबल होते हैं and they do not react with any compound or any atom. So here for this part the element is monoatomic gas at room temperature. This is T. Since this was the final solution, I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.